Hello. Is this your first day at school, too?
Yes, it is. I'm a little nervous.
I feel the same way. My name is Jake.
Nice to meet you, Jake. My name is Emily.
It's nice to meet you, too, Emily.
Are you in the English class?
Yes, I am. I'm in Class B.
I'm in Class B, too.
That's great. We're classmates.
That makes me happy.
Where are you from, Emily?
I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
I'm from the United Kingdom. I'm from London.
London is a beautiful city.
Have you ever been there?
No, I haven't, but I would love to visit.
You should go one day. It's a fun place.
Why did you choose this school?
I want to improve my English.
Me too. I need to speak English for my future job.
What job do you want to do?
I want to become a travel guide.
That sounds like an exciting job.
What job do you want to do?
I want to be a teacher.
That is a great job.
I enjoy helping people learn new things.
I like meeting people from different countries.
That's one of the best things about this school.
Yeah, it's nice to have classmates from many places.
How long will you study at this school?
I will study here for 6 months. What about you?
I will probably study here for 6 months too, or maybe longer.
Do you live near the school?
Yes, I live about 10 minutes away.
That's very close. I take the bus to school.
Is the bus ride long?
No, it takes about 20 minutes.
That's not bad. I used to travel 1 hour to school.
1 hour is a long time.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother. Do you have any siblings?
I have 2 sisters. I am the oldest child.
My brother is older than I am.
Does your family live in Canada?
Yes, my whole family lives in Toronto.
Do you miss them?
Yes, I miss them a lot, but we talk often.
That's nice. I call my family every week.
I'm glad we have video calls now.
Do you live by yourself here?
No, I live with a host family.
That's nice. Are they kind to you?
Yes, they are very kind and helpful.
I live in a small apartment near the school.
Do you cook your own food?
Yes, but I'm not a good cook.
I'm not a good cook either. I often eat out.
There's a good sandwich shop near the school.
I should try it sometime.
What do you usually do after class?
Sometimes I go to the library to study.
Do you find it easy to study there?
Yes, it is quiet and peaceful.
I usually go home and rest after school.
Do you do your homework at night?
Yes, I do. I like listening to music while I study.
That helps me concentrate too.
What kind of music do you enjoy?
I like pop music and sometimes jazz.
Would you like to study together sometime?
Yes, I would like that.
We could meet at the library.
Or maybe we can study in the cafe across the street?
That cafe is a good place to study.
Shall we meet there tomorrow after class?
Yes, that sounds good. What time?
How about 2:30 in the afternoon?
That's perfect. I will be there.
I'm looking forward to it.
Do you use WhatsApp?
Yes, I do.
Can I add you as a contact?
Of course. My number is +1 647 123 4567.
Thank you. I will send you a message.
Great. I will reply when I see it.
We can help each other with homework, too.
Yes, and we can practice speaking English.
We could even send each other voice messages.
That's a great way to improve.
I'm really happy we met today.
Me too. It's nice to know someone on the first day.
The first day of school is always easier with a friend.
I agree.
I hope we can become good friends.
I think we will.
Will you see me in class tomorrow?
Yes, I will be there. Don't be late.
I won't be late. I'll be early.
Good. I'll see you then.
Learn English to fluency.